peaceful mountain stream. It's a raging mud flow. These tourists in the Andes took a risky shortcut, but thankfully spotted the danger just in time to dodge a rock-filled disaster.
Empty suit.
A massive landslide tore through the city of Bandi in Nepal. Mother Nature wasn't whispering here, she was roaring.
Ayo. No. No, man. No. Oh, man. के भयो यस्तो? Man. راعي لفلون ابوي راعي لفلون ابو سيارة محمد يوصل هنا انا مصور فيديو.
In summer 2024, a tornado spun up right above a Russian airport, causing over $2.4 million in damage and looking like pure nightmare fuel from the ground.
Твою! Ужас!
When hail starts falling, it's like nature's version of a drive-by. Every icy smack dents the car and your bank account. Baku isn't known for deep freezes, but on this icy day, locals were slipping, sliding, and totally unprepared, especially without winter tires. Even just watching from afar gives us chills. Can't imagine what it felt like on those boats. When nature starts flexing like that, it's time to move. Fog doesn't usually scream danger, right? But this one rolled in like a ghost army and left serious damage behind. In New Orleans, thick fog turned a bridge into a bumper car arena. Over 40 vehicles, 6 separate crashes, and one giant mess. Miraculously, no serious injuries. This amateur storm chaser struck gold, capturing the exact moment a tornado was born. You can literally hear the awe and panic in his voice. This flood in Kerala didn't just wash through, it erased everything in its path. Blink, and it's like those homes were never even there. In 2024 Myanmar, a jade mining reservoir gave way, sending a mountain of water crashing down. Nature didn't just get mad, it got even. Sailors know firsthand, water isn't just waves, it's pure chaos during a storm. This footage, proof that the sea takes no prisoners. At first glance, it looks like someone messed up, but nope. In Taran, Italy, powerful currents snatched 2 boats and dragged them straight into a bridge like toys in a bathtub. These Italian workers spotted the signs, dropped everything, and ran. And honestly, that sprint might have saved their lives. Living by the river? Dreamy, until the river decides to move in. This house didn't just flood, it got relocated by the current.
That's crazy how much stuff is just built up right there. Oh my. Unforgettable.
If Mother Nature had you gasping, rewinding, or clutching your seat, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you want more wild, jaw-dropping moments caught on camera, subscribe now so you never miss the next storm, slide, or skyfall. Because let's face it, when nature gets angry, it really puts on a show.